Well, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the exercise 3.7 in which we'll be using the concept of both SCF and LCM. However, before starting with the exercise, I would like to tell you certain facts that will be helpful to you in identifying that what do you have to do in the question, whether you have to go for the SCF or you have to go for the LCM. Now suppose if you are giving the words like maximum, longest, largest, greatest, then you will go for SCF. If you are given the words like minimum, shortest, least, smallest, then you will go for LCM. Also, if you are given the words like divides, then you will go for SCF. If you are given divisible, then you will go for LCM. There might be the case when you are given both the words like divides and least, shortest, minimum, or divisible, greatest, largest, then you have to give priority to these two words. Suppose if it is like divides is given and least is given, then you will go for SCF because divides is there. Similarly, is divisible is given to you and you are asked largest or greatest or maximum, then you will go for LCM because this divisible is given and you have to keep these two words in priority. I am going to show you a case. In question number 5, determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Now you see greatest and divisible. Divisible belongs to your LCM category and greatest belongs to your SCF category. But since I told you that you have to keep divisible or divides on your priority, therefore you have to do LCM in this question. Now coming to question number 1. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer's exact number of times. Now see, you have gone through the word maximum. It means there should be a clue in your mind that what might be the case that you have to do in this question. Now before starting the question, I am just giving an example. Suppose you have 10 kg of sugar and you have to find out the value of the weight so that you can weigh this sugar exactly or complete number of times. Right. Now suppose if I am using the value of weight 3 kg, means I am using a weight of value 3 kg, then when I weigh for one time I will be left with 7 kg of the sugar. When I again weigh it, then I will be left with 4 kg of sugar. When I will again weigh it, I will be left with only 1 kg of sugar, because every time I am weighing how much? 3 kg, 3 kg, 3 kg, right? Now how you will weigh this 1 kg, because you have the weight of only 3 kg. Again, if you are having the weight of 4 kg, then when you weigh for one time you will be left with 6 kg. When you weigh for second time you will be left with 2 kg. Now how you will weigh this 2 kg, because you don't have the weight of 2 kg, you have the weight of only 4 kg. So in this case, to find out these kind of answers, what you have to do, you have to find out the factors of the given value. 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10. Now if you are using the weight of any of these value, you will be able to weigh the complete sugar. Similarly, if you are giving 10 kg of rice, 20 kg of rice and 10 kg of sugar, right? And now I'm asking you that what is the value of the weight that you should use for these two things to weigh them perfectly or completely or exactly. Then again, from this example you got to know that you have to find out the factors. Now when you are given two things, then you have to find out the common factors. Third condition is when I'm asking you what is the maximum value of the weight that should be used to weigh these two quantities exactly. Now I have used the word maximum. It means you have to find out the highest common factor, that is your HCF. Now question number 1 is, since we have to find out the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of times, therefore you need to take SCF of 75 and 69. Here I have done the prime factorization and you can see as only 3 is the common factor, therefore the highest common factor is 3. Hence required value of weight is 3 kg. In this way you have to do this question. I understand that it is a bit difficult to understand, but at the same time, I'll say that this topic is very important from the point of view of your coming competitive life.